Is it possible to get a deeper understanding of your health, your sleep, and your body's readiness for the day, all from a device that you barely notice that you're wearing? That is the big question, and my journey to find out started about a week ago. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm just Steve, and I've got another review for you. A big thanks goes out to the team at Ultrahuman for sending me out their latest new smart ring, the Ultrahuman Ring AIR. But before they sent me the ring, they sent me this, the ring sizer, because obviously you want to get the right size ring for your finger. This is the box that you get sent to you. I have to say the packaging is outstanding. The good thing is you don't have to return this, but they would like you to pass it on. You know, one of your friends or family might be interested in getting one, so you can pass this along to them and they can try out and get the right ring size for them. With this, you also get to have a look at all the different sort of rings that are available and to how they would feel. So we've got raw titanium, Aster Black, Matte Grey, which is the one I've gone for by the way, Space Silver and Bionic Gold. There we have all your different ring sizes from 5 to 14. So all we have to do for this product, you get a fantastic app as well. And once you've made your order and you've been sent this, you can go on there and tell them your correct ring size. They prefer you to wear it over 2 nights, just, you know, so you get your sizing right, because obviously your fingers can swell and whatnot. They do recommend putting it on the index finger. So yeah, once you've decided on the right size for you, you can go ahead and confirm your order. If by any chance you've already chosen your ring and then you decide you want to change it, do get a little time to change your mind and choose a different sort. Right folks, let's get into it. This is the reason you're here. Let's get it unboxed and let's see what we think. Comes with a nice USB-C cable to charge it. As you can see, it says get wired there. Also comes with some stickers. Can't beat a few stickers. We've got a bit about the ring there, and then we've got that there. And then we have a user manual. Hello Cyborg. And there is the ring itself. Absolutely lovely. Very lightweight. Yeah, you're not going to know this is on your finger. Not at all. And as I said earlier, I went for the matte finish, the matte black, or the matte grey, should I say. And yeah, feels very nice in the hand, very nice. Let me not forget the charger folks. So that is the actual ring charger. So obviously your USB-C cable goes in there, and obviously put it into your computer, plug, whatever, and obviously the ring just sits on there like so. My first impressions guys is absolutely beautiful. 2.4 grams. Like I said, you're not going to know you're wearing this. And just think, all that technology packed inside this. Now that is a fancy piece of tech. It's titanium and should be very durable, and it should be very comfortable to wear. And there it is. It fits perfectly, just like the ring sizer did. It's so lightweight, I can see myself forgetting it's even on there. As I said, they recommend index finger, but I went for my middle finger because that's where I thought I'd feel more comfortable. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. But of course, it's what the ring does that really matters. So I've had a little time to connect it to the app, and I want to walk you through 3 core features that the Ultrahuman focuses on. Just for your information, this is what the app looks like in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. First up, and probably the biggest reason people will buy this, is the sleep index. This isn't just about how long you've slept. The app gives you a score out of 100 and breaks down your entire night. Shows your different sleep stages, how much light, deep, REM sleep you got. It tracks your resting heart rate while you were asleep, and even your skin temperature variation. This level of detail is incredible for understanding the quality of your rest, not just the quantity. Next up, we have the recovery score. This is your daily readiness indicator. It takes data from your sleep, your heart rate variability, and your temperature to tell you how recovered your body is. A high score means you're ready to take on tough workout or a demanding day. A lower score might be a sign to take it easy. It's like having a personal coach telling you when when to push yourself and when to rest. And the third core pillar is the movement index. This tracks your activity throughout the entire day. It's not just about a 30-minute workout, it encourages you to stay active constantly. Now, it's worth noting that the dedicated workout tracking is still in beta, so it might not be as detailed as dedicated Smartwatch for a specific exercise just yet. But for just a view of your daily activity, this is fantastic. And the best part, all of these insights, all of this data comes with no monthly subscription fee. That's a huge win for all. This app lets you check so many different options about your health to keep a check on yourself. There's so much more information that you can look at within the app. If we click to the top right here, you can see the battery percentage of your ring, and we can also change the power mode. So we can have turbo mode, chill mode, or critical battery mode. Now, I recommend that you keep it on chill mode, but obviously having it on turbo mode unlocks everything, gives it all power. Chill mode keeps it optimized, and obviously if you're on very low battery, then you want to choose the critical battery mode. There's even a place for different add-ons. For example, you're a new parent, there's an add-on for that. Remember guys, of course, this ring is water resistant. It can be submerged up to 100 meters, which is approximately 330 feet. Which means you can safely wear it while showering, washing your hands, swimming, or even recreational snorkeling and scuba diving. And right now guys, from the 16th of June to the 30th of June, you can get an exclusive 15% off your Ring Air. But don't panic, because if this video is in the future, you can still grab yourself 10% off with a discount code IJS10. Current price for the ring at the moment is £329, but with that discount you're going to get it for £279.65. So who is it for? Based on my first impressions, I think this is perfect for anyone that is serious about improving their sleep and recovery. So if you're an athlete, a busy professional, or just someone that wants to understand their body better without the constant notifications and distractions from their smartwatch, then this is a perfect option. So guys, to sum up my first impressions, the Ultrahuman Ring Air is beautiful, incredible, comfortable, and an impressive, powerful piece of technology. The highlights for me are definitely it being lightweight, the crucial sizing process that ensures a perfect fit, the detailed sleep and recovery data, and the fact that there's no subscription costs. So if you have any questions about the Ultrahuman Ring, then please leave your comments down below in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them. And if you found this video helpful, a thumbs up would be hugely appreciated, and of course, links will be in the description so you can get your hands on yours. And remember, when you've finished with your sizing kit, pass it on to someone else. Thanks for watching guys, take care, peace out.